So we've just started off on the round the mountain track in Tongariro National Park. Just left from Whakapapa. This track essentially circumnavigates Mount Ruapehu at its base with a bunch of huts along the way. Go through like a bunch of different alpine environments and volcanic environments. Yeah, so the way the huts are laid out, Doc suggests you can take up to 6 days. We're going to try it in 3 or 4, just depending on how we go. We've got a bit of flexibility, so we're just going to decide on the ground based on how we're feeling and the weather and all that. So we just headed off to Whakapapa Iti hut, which is our first hut going anti-clockwise. Oh, hey guys. Welcome. My guess is we're dropping into the Whakapapa Iti Valley now. And the hut's going to be upstream, up valley where we're going. So this is the Whakapapa Iti river crossing that you've got to do coming up the valley. It wasn't too bad, but I could see it being bad. So just straight up to Whakapapa Iti hut now, but we're not going to stop there for the night. We're just going to stop there for a quick resupply and then keep on going. Just one big valley into the next, just going up and down, small valleys, and then big ups and big downs, down big valleys. We're headed over there. Lake Surprise we're coming down onto, a little alpine lake, and then dropping down into the wider Mangaturututu Valley there. So pretty good to see that. Yeah, bowl. Yeah, bowl. Yeah. Mangaturututu hut. Nice little hut. Very busy, but we don't really care.
Do you want some Voltara?
Yeah, I think actually I will take some.
I can't remember where I put it now. Oh, it might be up there, Jock. Is it up here on the bench? Voltara on the left somewhere?
Oh, yeah. Shout out to Grandma for the birthday presents of freeze-dried meals. Not, yeah, way flashier than I'm used to, so that was real good. And we also got a 2-serve apple pie just from talking to some people at the hut who had extra, so super stoked about that.
Damn.
So we've just set off from Mangaturututu hut at 7 o'clock. Our first obstacle today is getting up the Cascades, which we're approaching now. And then we're headed to Mount hut, and from there we'll decide if we can push on any further or not. We think we've done the hard part of the Cascades now. Definitely a sketchy bit of track. Looking back to the Mangaturututu Valley and Lake Surprise there, where we were yesterday. Drop down into the valley and the hut sits in there. So we're on the Uakuni Mountain Road now, and we've got a 3 kilometre downhill road walk to get back onto the track. Mangihuhu Hut. We're here at 11:45, so I think we know what that means. Heading into the desert portion now as we get closer to the Rangipo area. Scorching hot too. We've just come from over there and had a pretty brutal drop down into that valley. We're just climbing out of it now, but once we get out of it and up over this ridge, we know we've got an even bigger one. Looking forward to it. So this is our last big monster of the day. This is the Wahianoa Gorge. Our track goes down there, and there's a swing bridge down there. Not even sure if the lens picks it up. And then all the way out the other side somewhere.
So, if my memory serves me correctly, just beyond this little quite sharp ridge is the hut we're staying tonight. Long day, looking forward to being off my feet. There she is, Rangipo hut. All quiet out on the deck by the look of it. I've been here once before. Absolutely lovely hut. It's a bit full last time, so hopefully we've got a bit of space and a bit of quiet tonight. Certainly going to need all the sleep I can get.
Massive day, just over 10 hours including stops, but we're here.
Once a month, 2 days, like one weekend, and that's doable for most people. Like if you think you go hiking once every month or something, like if you're doing pretty good, well, it's not too bad.
Cold. It's cool. Cold. Can't do that. It's inappropriate.
Can't remember too much water.
All good. The battery will die anyway, like it did today. Started day 3, just left Rangipo Hut. Had a really good night there with some good guys. The weather's looking a lot better than we expected. The wind came up during the night and it was kind of a drizzle all over the place this morning, but looks like it's going to be okay. Today we've got a massive day. We don't have a booking at Waihōhonu Hut, so we're heading all the way back to Whakapapa. So we're looking at a 27 kilometre day, and we've already done 40 something kilometres in the past 2 days, so the knees are feeling it.
Mount Ruapehu as always. Feels nice to be on a track that we know. Home time today. That ridge up there is Takino Ski Road. Heading down, this is towards Waihōhonu Hut. It's a little bit flatter through this section. Should be some beautiful walking, pick up the pace a little bit. Can't wait.
Just about crawling up these. So we've just made it to Waihōhonu Hut, which is on the northeastern side of Mount Ruapehu now. We're just stopping here for lunch, and then we begin our last leg, which takes us in between Mount Ruapehu and Mount Ngātahoe, which currently looks a bit shrouded in cloud, and all the way back to Whakapapa. we're within probably about half an hour of whakapapa, so our day's almost done, and that means the end of our walk. So 66 kilometres in 3 days. We're pretty stoked with that, and today alone has been 27 kilometres, or it will be by the time we get back to whakapapa. Massive day. Rewarding walk though.
So it's back at the chateau. Ruapehu from the same view we had 2 days ago. 3 days ago, I don't even know. Finished.
Let's get